Hi, my name is Tom Tolley. I'm the author of a new book. It's called Artificial Intelligence Basics, a Non-Technical Introduction. The publisher is A-Press. As a columnist for Forbes.com, I've done a lot of writing on the topic of AI. It's definitely been fun and a great learning experience. I've also been able to talk to many top people in the industry. The insights gained have been amazing, if not mind-bending. But when I checked out the books about AI, I noticed something interesting. There were really two types of books. One, there were those books that were highly technical, filled with code and equations. Then there were those books that were, well, kind of dystopian and dark, the scary side of the technology. But I really did not want to look at these types of topics. What I wanted is something in the middle. Say a book with a focus on those who are non-technical but want a fundamental understanding of AI. Okay then, so what's covered in this book? There are 9 chapters as well as a glossary that go over the main things that you need to know to understand AI. So let's take a review of each. Chapter 1 is called AI Foundations. This is an overview of the rich history of AI, which goes back to the 1950s. You'll learn about brilliant researchers and computer scientists like Alan Turing, John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, and Geoffrey Hinton. There is also coverage of key concepts like the Turing test, which gauges if a machine actually has true AI. Data. This is Chapter 2. Data is the lifeblood of AI. It's how algorithms can find patterns and correlations to provide insights. But there are landmines with data, such as quality and bias. So this chapter provides a useful framework on how to effectively use data in your AI project. The next chapter is about machine learning. This is a subset of AI and involves traditional statistical techniques like regressions. But in this chapter, we'll also cover the advanced algorithms, such as k-nearest neighbor and the naive Bayes classifier. Besides this, there will be a look at how to put together a machine learning model. Deep learning. This is chapter 4. It's another subset of AI, and is clearly one that has seen much of the innovation during the past decade. Deep learning is about using neural networks to find patterns that mimic the brain. In this chapter, we'll take a look at the main algorithms like recurrent neural networks, convolutional neural networks, and generative adversarial networks. There will also be explanations of key concepts like backpropagation. Robotic process automation, or RPA. This uses systems to automate repetitive processes, such as inputting data in a CRM. RPA has seen tremendous growth during the past few years because of the high return on investment. The technology has also been an introductory way for companies to implement AI. Chapter 6, Natural Language Processing, or NLP. This is a form of AI which involves understanding conversations. It's the most ubiquitous, as seen with Siri, Cortana, and Alexa. But NLP systems, such as chatbots, have also become critical in the corporate world. This chapter will show ways to use this technology effectively and how to avoid the tricky issues. Chapter 7, Physical Robots. AI is starting to have a major impact on this industry. With deep learning, it is getting easier for robots to understand their environments. In this chapter, we'll take a look at both consumer and industrial robots, such as with many useful use cases. Chapter 8, Implementation of AI. We'll take a step-by-step approach to putting together an AI project, from the initial concept to the deployment. This chapter will also cover the various tools like Python, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. The final chapter is the future of AI. This chapter will cover some of the biggest trends in AI, like autonomous driving, weaponization of AI, technological unemployment, drug discovery, and regulation. Yes, there's a lot in this book. It's comprehensive. It takes a look at the topics you need to understand to be proficient in AI. So if this is something that you want to do, and I really do think that everyone should be proficient in AI, then this is the book for you. And you can get it from most places online, like Amazon or A-Press's own website. And thanks, and have a great day.